A girl who sneezed gold. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Goldie. She lived in a small village with her mom and dad. They were very poor. Sometimes, there was no food at all. But her parents always made sure she ate. Goldie said softly.
Why do we always struggle like this?
Kids bullied her every day for not bringing food and wearing old uniform. She felt so lonely and sad. That night, Goldie prayed to God.
Dear God, please help us. I don't want to suffer anymore.
That night, a huge dust storm hit the village. Next morning, Goldie woke up, rubbing her nose. Goldie thought, ouch, my nose feels itchy. Her parents told her that there was a dust storm last night. Maybe the dust is making your nose itch, Goldie. Goldie sneezes. Something shiny falls into her hand. Goldie gets confused. What is this? She sneezes again and sees more shiny pieces. She goes to her mom and tells her something strange is happening. Mother looks closely, shocked. Oh my God, this looks like gold. After sneezing gold multiple times, Goldie and her mom decide to go to the gold shop to confirm if it's real gold. The goldsmith tells them,
This is real gold.
With time, Goldie kept sneezing gold. This made her parents so confused. But Goldie was so happy. God had answered her prayer. With time, every sneeze brought gold, and their lives slowly changed. They built a nice new home. They opened a gold shop and became richer and richer. The children who once made fun of Goldie stood in shock as they saw her now, glowing with confidence and dressed beautifully. No matter how rich they got, Goldie never forgot her past. She stayed kind and helped others. And from that day on, no plate in her home was ever empty.